Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. BNB finally getting out of the of a long period of sideways moves. And in my last video, I talked about the breakout. We were, I think, just below $500, and now we are just a few days later at $560. So it is moving up finally. And yeah, we crossed the breakout point. We made a move through that neckline of the cup and handle that we had here on the chart. You can see it very well on the weekly, and I think our target level has not yet been reached. Anyway, the immediate one has, but you know, we have more to expect. I think we start on the weekly here with Binance Coin because you know, the all-time high was $700. Yeah, just want to highlight that. That was here on the in the week of the 3rd of May. Since then, obviously, we had that correction and built a cup and handle pattern, and we broke that to the upside. Now, we can already see here on the weekly what our next resistance level is. That is sitting here pretty much at around $570. We already touched it. Here you can see the long wick to the upside. But after that, I think we will go straight to $600. Now, why I start on the weekly? Because I find, even though, you know, volume is dropping, you can see that. Volume is dropping still. We don't really have that volume, but the price is going up anyway. And what I want to show you is that, first of all, we are above all three moving averages, above the 20, the 50, and the 200. And the MACD on the weekly is now, for the first time since, you know, sort of April, May, has made two rising green bars on the MACD histogram, which it hasn't done, as I said, since like the beginning of the year, actually. So that is bullish. Last time that happened, you can see what developed then. You know, the price went up all the way to all-time highs. So we had a bullish crossover here end of October in that week on the weekly and on the MACD because of that long sideways move. Honestly, we have a lot of scope to the upside here on the RSI on the weekly. That indicates that we could really expect longer term price increases now for BNB. Now on the daily, we are a little bit overbought now, getting into the overbought range, but that is the general noise of the market. We are in an uptrend, and you can see that not only by looking at what we have done with regards to here the ascending trend line within which we are above which we are trading. No, it is also that we are above three moving averages. Yeah, the 20, the 50, and the 200. You can see that we already came all the way up to that 500, pretty much it's at 575 here, that trend line, touched it, retraced, and we're just below it. So we're going, in my view, we're going to continue our move up. Now there could be a short-term retracement, maybe back to that trend line here at around $525 before we then continue to go up. But we can, I think, continue that trend line to the upside. That would then be something like an ascending triangle here that is forming with a horizontal resistance line. And very importantly, you know, we broke out of that pattern here, that cup and handle, or you can also see that here as inverse head and shoulders. These are the patterns we've seen all over again on different cryptocurrencies, and finally BNB broke out, and in my view is continuing its way to the upside. Next resistance 575, and after that 600. All right, thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.